Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to use Chrome Remote Desktop. Now, in order for us to get started, I want you to head over to, say for example, google.com, and then from here I want you to go ahead and try to write Chrome Remote Desktop. So you are going to go ahead and install this one on your PC. Now I'm going to go ahead and click access my computer just like so, and then click this one right here in order for me to download this particular extension here. Alright, so we have already put the extension here. Now from here we're just going to go ahead and click this one right here, and we're going to save this one in our desktop, and then I'm just going to go ahead and install this one. Alright, and after installing that one, you are going to go ahead and enter a name for your computer. In my case, I'm just going to call it this one, and then click next, and then I'm going to go ahead and enter my PIN here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click start. Alright, and after starting it, you can see that now it is online. We are online here now. I'm going to go ahead and open my phone. Alright, there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and open my App Store, and here in the App Store I'm going to go ahead and download here Chrome Remote Desktop. And after doing so, I can just go ahead and tap the open button here, and I'm going to go ahead and simply log in. Make sure that I'm using the same email as I have on my Chrome and this device right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this one, and you should be able to see here the device. So this is our Chrome desktop. Now I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. As you can see, now it is connecting. So then you will be prompted to enter your PIN. So I'm just going to go ahead and type here my PIN just like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap this one. Alright, so go ahead and click OK. Alright everybody, now we are connected. So as you can see here on the right side, this is actually my screen, and then here on the left side is going to be the screen of my computer. Now I have screen mirrored my phone in order for us to be able to see it here, and then basically what I can do is actually pretty amazing. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap this plus sign right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and open YouTube. Now to do that, I can go ahead and click this one right here, and then click show keyboard, and then I can go ahead and type here YouTube. So there you go. I'm just going to continue typing this one, youtube.com, and then I can go ahead and click the return button right here in order for me to enter this one. Now if I want to hide a keyboard, I can go ahead and click this one and then click hide keyboard. Now say for example I want the trackpad, I can just go ahead and click this one right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click trackpad mode. So as you can see, now we are seeing this cursor right here, and yeah, they are mirrored, right? So that is pretty amazing. And yep, that is how you are going to use Chrome Remote Desktop.